To create jump rings, you're going to require a side cutter, a couple of rods, and wire. In this case, I'm using the 1.5 mm electrical wire, which is copper. And as for the rods, you can also use an old pen, but also it's important to have different sizes of rods depending on your requirements. Okay, so to begin with, we are going to straighten our wire real nicely and then cut 50 centimeters of the wire. Then upon selecting your favored rod, place your wire on the rod, press it firmly on the rod, leaving an extra piece on the other side, and then we are going to rotate this other longer one round it, creating a spring. So while you're rotating it, make sure that the coils are very closely tied to each other so that we have perfect rings. Okay, there you have it. So once you've done that, just pull it out of your rod. And then now we are going to do the cutting. You'll notice that our side cutter has two sides. This is the face, and this is the inner part, which is sunken. Okay, so as you start to cut, first start by cutting it while the face is facing on the left side if you're right-handed. You'll notice that that gives you a very clean, flat finish. Okay, as opposed to cutting it from this other side, as we are going to try it from this, you'll notice that this gives you a sharp ending, which will not be pleasing when you start working on jewelry. Okay, so now we are going to cut the next ring. So right where you've cut it, we are going to cut right straight. Like that. So once you've done that, you'll notice that you've cut your first jump ring, which is perfect. Then we're going to continue again, remembering to face your tool the right way so that you get a clean finish right at the end. And then we are going to cut our second jump ring like that. So I'm going to repeat it one last time and then cut it on that side. Okay, so that's how you create jump rings in very easy steps. So there we have it. You can cut more rings from your spring and create more jump rings. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe below. Thank you. Until next time.